Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen I have my sweet Sarah. I'll start crying if I go too much into that. Anyway, Sarah and I are first cousins, but she's also my goddaughter. And so we have run the men out today so that we can do some cooking. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Let's do an omelet, because we're gonna have kind of a brunch, right? So we're gonna do an omelet, and then we're gonna do fried bread.
Yes.
We're gonna get to that, but let's get the omelet started. Okay, Sarah, these eggs, I've washed them. They came from another farmer, and they were straight out of the chicken's rear end. I know you don't like that, but it's true. Do you want to crack them, or you want me to crack them?
Yeah, I'll crack them.
Okay, crack this.
And I just want to show this really quick.
Oh, that is special.
The pumpkin banana nut bread.
It was banana, pumpkin, chocolate chip.
That's what I said.
But you got to repeat that at home, right?
Sorry. Yeah.
That's definitely going to be one you're going to repeat because you love that.
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm going to grate cheese. We need 3 eggs because we're going to split this omelet. We're going to make like a monster omelet and then split it.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
What do you do with your eggshells once you...
Just toss them in the sink. I'll tell you a good trick though. You want to know a good trick about them?
Yeah, what?
You know the potted plants that you have outside of your home?
Yes.
Save your eggshells.
Well,
Crush them up.
Plants because I'm not...
But you could at some point.
I have flowers.
That's what I mean.
Okay.
Crush them up in your hands and put them around the soil. Keeps moisture in the soil.
Really?
Yeah. There's lots of...
You learn something new every day.
Well, you know what? If I can't hand down anything to you except recipes and little chunks of random knowledge,
yeah,
I can draw from it, right?
Yep. How many of these eggs? All of them?
I would do 3. We're going to split a big omelet, and I think the whisk is in the drawer.
I got egg on that.
Actually, that whisk is right there, baby. Wash it real quick. I used that for the chocolate sauce earlier.
Just gonna wash this real quick.
And I'll take a picture for you guys and show you our whole entire omelet extravaganza and our brunch. How about that? Because we got homemade jams out.
It's gonna be delicious.
We have run the men out. We love them, but they got stuff to do. All right, mix that up, babe. And I'm gonna get you some salt and pepper.
Just mixing the omelet now.
The
eggs.
Mix the eggs. We need some salt.
Okay.
Pink Himalayan.
Pink Himalayan.
Not too much.
Good for your health.
Are you using pink Himalayan at home?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. All right, we need some pepper. Are you a pepper girl?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay too. See, you are an angle.
When do we add this? After?
I'm gonna add that. Well, let's put some in this. This is Texas Pete Dust dry seasoning. Drew, aka Favorite Son, and his roommate Spencer Waxel, they swear by this. So let's do a shake, and then maybe we'll garnish at the end. Just shake, little.
This is gonna be delicious.
All right, while you're doing that, I'm gonna come over here and just put these. I've got just a few purple onions. I'm gonna put those in to get them caramelized a little bit.
Yum.
I'll move the camera in just a minute. It's just hard to do all of it at one time. Sarah, do you like these?
Yeah.
Okay. This is just an orange pepper. I'm just gonna put a little bit in our omelet, okay? Put that right over there, baby. Let me just chop this real quick.
Chop it up.
Chop it up, girl.
I'm gonna set the eggs right here.
All right. And I tell you what, if you want to grab this bowl of eggs and just move it, then we'll have more room to work here. So Sarah.
Yes.
You've been married how long? To Hottie Scotty. Love him.
Almost 2 years.
Okay, so you've learned a lot in your kitchen at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, so y'all cook.
Yeah, we do.
And he's a good cook.
He's way better cook than I am.
Well, and he looks so cute cooking, I have to say. Y'all make such a handsome little couple. I'm going to put this in. You do.
That is so sweet.
You do make a handsome couple.
Thank you.
All right.
He'd be here today if he wasn't out of town.
We ran him out so we could have a girls' day. Okay, let's do that. And I'm going to toss this. And I tell you what, if you will ever so carefully grab that camera, just pick up this whole thing. We're going to set it right here.
Oh, no.
Yep, you got it.
Okay.
The viewers will want to see what we're doing over here.
Okay.
Because I have heated this bacon grease.
Okay.
And yeah, just, it's okay. There
Put it right here?
Keep, you know what? Let me adjust it.
Right here.
Because we want to show them what we're doing. Sorry, guys. This is the keeping it real side. Okay, Sarah. You can tell I need to do laundry, too. A woman's work is never done, honey. All right, there we go.
The laundry is never
Now,
over.
can they see this? All right, we're just gonna. All right, Sarah. Here's what we're gonna do with this bread. That's on high. You need your baking grease as hot as you can get it.
Okay.
The
It's already in there.
cameraman from Fox 8, who is British,
Yes.
said that his family loves these. I don't know why I'm doing this. Just toss them in there,
So
flat
the
down.
baking grease is already on here.
The baking grease is hot, and we want to fry that bread. And I'm gonna give you a spatula.
To flip them.
Yep, don't flip them yet. We want to flip them one time, but we want them to be done. So let them go do their thing, and we'll get this omelet going as well. Now, Sarah, I'm going to put the cheese in next.
Okay.
It gives the omelet like a crunch on the outside. Have you seen
Oh,
Spencer
yes,
do this?
yes, I have.
I think you learned it on TikTok.
It turns it into like a shell.
Yes, yeah. I'm excited about that. Okay, and we got eggs. Okay, let's see how that bread is. Just lift up the side of it and just see. Because he told me, he said, you need to have your grease hot. Okay, flip it, girl. Flip it. Let me get you a plate. I'm so excited about this. Sarah, I'm going to give you one of my Memo's plates to put that on.
Okay.
Put that right there.
Okay.
She gave me those dishes.
Probably need to do this, 20 more seconds?
I don't know. Let's see. Now, listen, I've never done it. I know it's going to be delicious. All right, when this starts getting, I'm going to turn the heat up on this sucker.
Okay.
So we can get it all done at one time. Sarah, when I got married, I thought that was the hardest thing about cooking.
What was?
Getting stuff done at the
yeah.
same time.
You have to time it.
Yeah, but did you experience that when you first got married and started cooking?
I still experience that.
For real. I mean, seriously, because I'm like, okay, how do you get the bread done and this and that?
And then something's always ready before, and then you have to put it in the oven, and then you have to
So much easier when you're doing it as a tag team.
It is.
Right.
You
I like the
name right.
color of these eggs too. That Texas peat dust gave it that red color. I love that. Anyway, I like color.
Too.
All right, so this is looking good. I'm just going to spread this around a little bit because we're going to split this bad boy.
Yeah, we are.
Yes, girl, yes.
All right, what do you think I do here?
Let me see, baby. Oh, that looks done.
All right, I'm
There's your
throwing
plate.
the
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect. Yes, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do 2 more.
Wow.
In case the guys come in. You know what?
Yeah,
This
we
would
just
make
don't
a
know.
great grilled cheese.
Oh, it would.
I mean, our cholesterol's going to be... Anyway, we're not talking about health today. We're talking about really good, right?
Exactly.
Right.
You
Okay.
can't have both.
Well, sometimes
I mean, you can, but
Sometimes you can. This ain't one of them. We're going to splurge. All right, I'm going to wait till that just gets a little bit brown, and then we're going to put that in there,
okay.
and then we'll turn it once and just fold it in half.
Okay. This
All
is
right.
going to be a very good omelet.
I think it's going to be a really
And
good
rich.
omelet, and I'm real excited about that.
Yep.
Apparently, the camera guy said that that was like native to his country. Like, that's what people do. They have fried bread.
Yeah.
So,
We need to bring it here.
I think we need to put a little jam on ours. I will take a
Maybe we'll get some
picture.
chocolate syrup on here.
Girl, you are speaking my language.
And maple syrup.
I'm going to show a picture of that.
Okay.
And I have some bacon over here. And
Very-
I'll just put that like that. And then we'll have 2 pieces of bacon in each little bite of our omelet. Sarah, have you ever been to like a fancy restaurant or a buffet where there's a person just doing
yes.
omelets? Yeah.
So,
I love to
Yes.
watch them.
on our honeymoon in Jamaica, they had an omelet.
Every day.
Yeah. And you got to add whatever, and they had everything.
I love me an omelet.
They had salmon.
Oh,
They had everything you could
wow.
put in there.
Well, and here's the other thing I'll tell you. If your omelet, if you have a big enough pan, it can become just a frittata that you don't have to flip.
True.
It can be all the way done. So we'll see how this works. All right, how's that bread looking? Yes, girl. Flip that bread in that bacon grease.
Oh, that one's going to be extra good.
Yes.
I'm going to move it down here.
Spencer calls it crunch, crunch.
I'm going to get it in the grease.
Hey, you know, in his degree is that health science stuff. He's going to be like, you did what with bread?
We don't have to tell him.
No, he won't. What he don't know won't hurt him, right?
And he might walk in the door, and that's okay.
If he does, we're going to get a lecture about how unhealthy
He
that
will
is.
not try it, I know that.
No, not right now that he's
Oh,
on training.
man, I was really just in the camera the whole time.
Well, good. I like that. The viewers will love it. I promise.
Oh, my gosh.
All right, I'm just going to move this around a little bit. Get this baby done. I could really scramble it, but I'm having, you know, I have to really think about being patient with stuff like this.
This is going to be great.
How's that looking? Because that's on high.
Let's look. What
Yep,
do you think?
take it out. All right, now cut that off. He
Okay.
did tell me that he uses a black iron skillet for his. And it gives it that kind of, let me just hold this up. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, yes.
Please don't burn your
I think this would be good with syrup, too.
That's what I was thinking, like French toast.
We'll be an expert. We'll be an expert when we're done with it, right?
Listen to this.
What?
Fresh strawberries on the top.
Girl, what are you talking about?
Some whipped cream.
Yes. Yes. Well, I do have strawberry preserves or jam, so we could do that.
We're gonna do that.
We're definitely going to do that.
We're gonna do strawberry.
I also put pepper jelly out, so if you wanted a little heat, you could do that too.
Pepper jelly.
Let me turn this bad boy.
Oh, that looks great.
Girl, stop.
I mean, that looks professional.
I'm going to just move it to the middle so that this part that's not done kind of oozes out.
Oh, God.
And then it'll get done.
I love
And
it.
then we can eat.
I
And
love
I'm
it.
going to say, where's your coffee go? Girl, what are you talking? Is this yours? This is mine. There's yours. Sarah, I just love you being in my kitchen. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Brunch with Sweet Sarah. See y'all.
Bye.
We'll post pictures.
Taste tests.
We're going to eat to our heart's content. Girls brunching 2021.
Yummy.
All right, here.
Cheers.
Fried bread.
That's delicious.
Girl, in the South, we can buy anything. Fried bread. Give it a try.